Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In the first episode, we talked about different markets and how traders can profit from indices such as Germany 40 or Nasdaq 100. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the broker that I personally use, which is Trade Nation. We'll go over the reasons why I use this broker, their main advantages, and I'm also going to show you a little analysis that has been provided by Trade Nation to show how much you can save in cost on spread compared to other major brokers. And as well as in this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the platform itself. So it's going to be a very high level overview of the Trade Nation in this video. Okay guys, so let's begin. So why this broker? When you start trading, your broker is pretty much your trading partner. It's where all your trades are happening. Okay, so it is very important to choose the right one, as it can make a huge difference. And with the analysis that I'm going to share with you in this video, you will understand what I mean by a huge difference. So here are some of the reasons why I use Trade Nation. Number one, it is regulated and trusted, which is super important in the trading world. Okay. Number two, it is user-friendly both for beginners and experienced traders. Number three, it has a fixed spread. Okay, so that means you always know your trading cost. And number four, of course, it offers popular indices like Nasdaq 100 and Germany 40, which are the markets that I'm trading personally. Okay, so now let's take a look at the analysis. Okay guys, so let's begin. So the analysis here is based for Nasdaq 100 and Germany 40, which are the two main markets that I personally trade. The data provided here is based on 5 contracts and 3 trades per day. And this is the latest information that we have as of 3rd of June 2025. So the first one, if you look at the first one, which is Nasdaq 100, so it's cost to trade per year in total spread. Okay, so this is the yearly average. So with Trade Nation, that would be $3,402. If you take a look at capital.com, with capital.com, you are paying yearly basically $6,804, which means with Trade Nation, you are saving half of it. So with Trade Nation, you can see that you are saving $3,402. And then if you take a look at eToro, with eToro, that will be $12,134 per year. And with Trade Nation, compared to Trade Nation, you will be saving then $8,732 per year. Okay, so if we then take a look at the same for Germany 40, again, this is based on 5 contracts, 3 trades per day. So with Germany, that would be 3,780 euros. Okay. Then if we compare it with capital.com, so with Capital, that would be 5,670. So compared to Trade Nation, with Trade Nation, you are saving 1,890 euros per year. And then if you compare this to eToro as well, so with eToro, that would be 13,532 euros. So comparing with Trade Nation, you are saving 9,752 euros per year. So guys, the numbers don't lie, and these are the reasons why I choose Trade Nation and why I place my trades with Trade Nation. So again, it is a cheaper broker, as we can see, compared to other ones, and the reasons that it has a fixed spread and it is constantly regulated. Okay. Okay, guys, so right now I'm going to take you through the platform itself and how it's going to look for you. Okay, we are going to keep it very simple, straightforward, nothing too overcomplicated. So it's going to be a very high level overview for you guys. So once you open up your Trade Nation, all you need to do is just sign up. You have different options by signing up. All you need is your email address and password. Once that is done, once you are signed up, you will need to verify your email and of course verify your personal details. Again, the process is very simple and very straightforward. Okay guys, so once you are all registered and signed up, this is where it's going to bring you once you launch your account. Okay, so you have the watch list of popular markets. For myself, this is Indices. Okay, over here all you have is open positions, the transaction history, activity history, and so on and so forth. So once you place your trade, open positions will be available here. We'll be able to see, the amount, open price, current price, the movements. Basically, you'll have your PLN, your stop limits, and the take profit limit as well, estimated margin, and so on and so forth. Okay, so over here you can also see the sell and buy, so the total amounts. You have your daily changes, which is again you have in points and in percentages, and then to keep it very simple, you have as well the option to trade and place orders. Now you also can set up any alerts if needed for yourself. Okay, so to launch the platform, so let's say if I want to take a look at Nasdaq 100, so all you need to do is just click on the chart list. Okay, and then once that is open, this is how it's going to look for you. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into detail for every single little thing that there is available on this platform. All I'm going to do is just take you through it real quickly, high level overview, what to focus for yourself and what is needed for you, especially for those that are starting out their trading journey. Okay, so over here you have different time frames. Again, you have your 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 hours, 6 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, so you can flick through it and look through the different time frames. Okay, over here, if you click on draw, you'll have all your different options. So for example, if you want to mark your key levels, you have different lines available. So all you just need to do is click on it and it's gonna give you the line. Okay, and then same goes if you, for example, are the one who is focusing on trend lines. So for example, you're trading a little bit more based on trends rather than key levels or something like that. So you have your trend lines and you can just draw it whatever it is needed for you. Okay, super easy, super simple for you to follow, as well as you can use this rectangular and just mark your liquidity zones and so on. Okay, again, this is based only just for the purposes of review of the platform. Okay, guys, so let's say you need more information on specific candlesticks and so on and so forth. All you need to do is click on this info and hover over wherever you need. With this, you'll be able to see the time and date, close, open, high, low, and actual volume. Okay, so then, for example, if we take a look on this side, you have an option to choose different chart types. Okay, I'm keeping it simple. I'm going by candlesticks. You have options to choose from whichever is preferable for you. Okay, and then we have different studies. Now, this is not something that I suggest to focus for the beginners and those who are experienced. If you need to, you have different options to choose from. Okay, and let's say now, let's say you want to place a trade. So all you need to do, if you have the full platform open, all you need to do is just click over here and it's gonna bring you to sell and buy options. So what you're gonna do is type in whatever amount of contracts you want to trade. So for example, you want to trade one, you click on stop loss, okay, and you put in your stop loss, okay, and then you choose sell or buy according to your supply and demand. Okay guys, so this is pretty much everything that you need to know about Trade Nation. Okay, so we taken a look at the reasons and advantages of this broker. We have taken a look at the analysis that has been provided to us, and we took a look at the platform itself. So you are now all set up and ready to start trading. In the next episode, I'm going to take a live trade together with you. So I'm going to walk through from the beginning till the end of my trade, and within this episode we are also going to talk a little bit about what trading is and what trading isn't, so we kind of manage our expectations as well as we progress in this journey together. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.